Guys, I am making sorrel cake today. Check it out. What's up, guys? Alright, so I have a couple of friends who asked me to do a video on the sorrel cake. So I am not gonna do a full video on the sorrel cake because I know it's gonna cut off at some point in time. My camera space is not full, but I'm gonna talk you through it, and hopefully you will kind of get the understanding of what I did. Okay, so this is the sorrel. I have it in the freezer. I get it from Jamaica, and I keep it in the freezer. So it's icy right now, but it already washed. I wash it before I put it up. So these are some cinnamon stick. I'm gonna put it in the pot with the boiling water and kind of just make it boiled up for about 2 minutes before I turn it off, because the ice is in there and it have to be boiled. So there it go. It is boiling right now. I'm giving it 2 minutes and just cover it up and let it cool. So there you go. It is off and cool and ready to blend. So the cinnamon stick, I'm going to remove those from the pot and blend it. There you go. I'm blending it. Okay, so it's rich and nice. And just the way how I did the Christmas cake is the way that I'm going to just add. This is the cake. I didn't get a chance to do the video, the whole video, because of the space of my camera. I gotta get it cleaned off because I didn't have the space, so I didn't get a chance to finish the video. But it's the same way I did the Christmas cake. I just eliminate some of the other liquid and just add the sorrel to it to give it that color. So it's pretty simple and easy. As I said, the Christmas cake is on my channel. You could watch that and eliminate some of the liquid and add this. It still have some rum and wine and fruits and flour, everything. If you watch the video with the Christmas cake, then you have no problem of doing this. You see how this look? It is so moist and nice, guys. So that is definitely it. It give you that color, red color, because the sorrel kind of, I mean, some people I think put coloring in there. I didn't put any coloring in here. I use the sorrel to bring up the color. So that's it. It is so nice, guys. It's moist, very moist. So, and I did enjoy it. So, but that's it, guys. If you watch, as I said before, if you watch the video with my Christmas cake, you cannot go wrong with the sorrel cake, because all you do is eliminate some of the liquid from the Christmas cake, and that will give you the color, the moisture to put in the sorrel, and you can't go wrong with it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do another one. Well, right now I don't have any sorrel. I gotta wait until I get some from Jamaica before I try doing it again, so that way you could actually get a full video. But right now I don't have any sorrel at home. That's the last bit I have. I make sorrel juice in Christmas. I am going to Jamaica pretty soon, so I'll definitely bring up some sorrel for sure. But this is it, guys. As I said before, it is very soft and moist. It's the same way the way I bake the Christmas cake. I just eliminate like some of the liquid that I put in the Christmas cake, and just I put less wine, and I didn't put any fruit wine, so I eliminate that. So, and the sorrel is thick and rich. Once you blend the sorrel, it becomes thick and rich, so you could just use that liquid to do it.